Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Router and confirming you meet the reward threshold. This matters because the app only redeems when you reach the required points. Once done, make sure your account, email, and payment details are verified so the gift card can be delivered. Next, navigate to the Rewards or Wallet section and select Google Play option. This is the first actionable move. Do not skip checking expiry or region limits because region mismatch will prevent redemption. You now choose the card denomination that matches your point balance, and you press Redeem. The app will show the exact points to dollar conversion so you know why you can or cannot pick a value. After confirming, Router processes the request and shows a progress or pending state. Stay on that screen until it finishes. Once completed, you receive an in-app code plus email or SMS. Copy the code immediately and note any expiration so you can redeem it in Google Play without delay. You finish by opening Google Play, going to Payments, then Redeem, and entering the voucher code exactly as shown. This applies the balance instantly. If the code never arrives, verify your linked email and spam folder and check in-app notifications. Sometimes delivery is delayed by a few minutes. If problems persist, take screenshots of your reward screen and the pending transaction, then contact Router support with the transaction ID. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.